Hi, you must be Siti Ashley. Good morning.
Hi sir, good morning.
How are you? I'm sorry for coming in late. I had trouble with my connection because it's a rainy day here. Is it raining on you?
I am very well. It's okay sir, no problem. It is now the rainy season, so the weather can affect the signal quality. But it is not raining here sir.
Well, I've read your CV and I'm interested in your experience and educational background. Let's begin by getting to know yourself a little bit.
Alright, my name is Siti Asri Septiani. I am 21 years old and I just graduated from the Polytechnic Negeri Bandung with a degree in Applied Accounting. During my study time, I learned a lot about accounting, so I have the knowledge of accounting cycles such as input financial transaction, compile bookkeeping journal, and compile financial report in accordance with accounting standard. In my latest internship experience, I was a customer service representative in Bank Syariah Indonesia for 1 month, where I learned that customer satisfaction is the key to success in a service bank. Internship in a bank helped me learn the importance of dealing with customers in a friendly, thorough, and responsive manner. Besides that, when I was in college, I participated in a few organizations. One of them is Majelis Perwakilan Mahasiswa. I am an expert staff of Commission 1 Administration and Finance. I have been responsible for creating a system and a program for obtaining Majelis Perwakilan Mahasiswa Polban independent funds. As a result, my knowledge and experience in this field have grown considerably and I now feel able to make plans and manage finances.
Excellent. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
My greatest strength is discipline. I have always been disciplined in my work and it's something I enjoy. I am disciplined because I focus intently on the tasks I need to complete, and I plan to make sure they are always done to a high standard. In my last internship, my mentor gave me a high score for discipline because I always come on time, comply with existing regulations, and do the assigned tasks and complete them on time even faster. For my greatest weakness, sometimes I compare my own abilities with others so that I lack confidence in conveying an idea for fear that the idea conveyed is not very good. However, in my last role as vice chairman at Majelis Tinggi Himpunan, my responsibilities and friends in my organization encouraged me to present an idea without feeling embarrassed. Through my experience with this organization, I have realized that being confident in conveying an idea is not a scary thing and it is better when it is conveyed compared to not talking about it at all. Since then, I have become better and bolder in expressing my ideas.
Alright. Do you prefer to work independently or on a team?
It depends on the task. When it comes to brainstorming, team produce great ideas with multiple inputs, and teams can highlight people's strengths. But I certainly enjoy working on my tasks as an individual as well, since in many ways it takes the ability to work alone for the team to fully succeed. Both independent work and teamwork have their benefits and drawbacks. I love the flexibility of this position because it will allow to me to collaborate with others and initiate my projects independently. In my past internship at Primkopat, I was part of the accounting team and I enjoy collaborating and learning from my colleague and team leader. However, I was also required to complete many data entry tasks and record financial documents independently, which I also enjoy because it gave me the space I needed to focus on completing important tasks.
Great. What were your expectations for the jobs?
My understanding of the expectation of this role based on the job description and information on your company website is that the company wants me to meet the company's goal and target to be able to record a business transaction and prepare good financial reports based on accounting standard with competent human resources, maintain integrity, serve with respect and humility. I have proven my ability to meet and exceed expectation to be able to do the accounting cycle well in my role and profession knowledge during college by consistently being able to do manual accounting cycles and use accounting software such as MyOB, Zahir, and accurate.
Why should I choose you over the other candidates?
Well, I have all of the skill and experience that you are looking for, and I am confident that I match with your requirements. I have knowledge and experience you are looking for about post and process journal entries to ensure all business transactions are recorded and understanding the accounting process and preparing financial statement. Not only in my background in accounting, but I am also passionate about this industry and I am driven to deliver high quality work. In my last experience, I had an internship in Bank Syariah Indonesia and I saw on your requirements that this role must be familiar with the financial service industry, which is one reason I opted for this position.
Alright, last questions. Do you have a plan to continue the study?
Continuing education outside of my job is a possibility, but for now, I am devoted to performing well and increasing my responsibilities at work. Reporting quality financial statement is important to me. I am interested in learning more about the internal control system to produce higher quality financial reports.
Good then. Just kindly waiting for my confirmation via email or phone call. Thank you for coming to the interview. Have a nice day.
Sure, sir. I will wait for the confirmation. I also would like to say thank you for giving me a chance to come for an interview. Hello, Mr. Eddy. I am Siti Asri. Thanks so much for joining in.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me. It's nice to finally meet you, even it's an online meeting.
How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. A little bit nervous, honestly. Thank you for asking, by the way.
Alright, so to get started, tell me a little about yourself.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to come to this interview. I'm very happy to be here. Well, I'm currently an accountant at a startup company, Abismark Solutions, that consultant on data processing and education. My responsibility is to do some bookkeeping activities such as recording a journal, calculating depreciation, and preparing a financial statement. I also handle taxation for that company. I had an internship at the same company to make their own accounting system using Excel for 4 months ago. Before I offered to be there as an accountant and taxation staff. And now I'm looking to expand my experience to different industries, particularly on technologies, which is the new industries that had a rapid growth in the last decade, which is why I'm so excited about this opportunity with Code ID.
That's great. How did you hear about this position?
I'm actively job searching right now and found your job posting on Glint ID while searching for finance and accounting positions. I reviewed the job description on Glint ID before applying and it seemed like a great potential fit. So I wanted to apply and learn more about the opportunity to see if it's a good match or not.
Why are you interested in this position?
I'm interested in this job because I can see that in this role, my skill could help solve this problem within your company. Also, see an opportunity for me to learn and grow this skill and solve problems and accomplish your goals. I know I can develop my career the way that I want to. And I have an interest in technologies that have a good prospect in the future. That's why I'm really excited about being a part of that.
Interesting. Why should we hire you?
Well, I have all the technical skill that your company is looking for. As a fresh graduate, I have a GPA of 3.75 and grade A for accounting and taxation subjects. Behind that, I have internship and work experience in the same field of this job opening, finance and taxations.
What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is adaptation to new environment and fast learner. Previously in high school, I took a multimedia major and got the best graduate of my school. In college, I'm crossing from multimedia to accounting major, but managed to adapt and proven by getting a high GPA and grade on each subject. In my internship, I was responsible for making an accounting system that pushed me to know and understand how the business process the company. Sometimes I difficult managing many activities at one time, but I can solve it by using calendar and reminder app on my smartphone to stay on top things.
Okay, where will you be in 5 years?
Well, I'm really excited by this position at Code ID because in 5 years, I'd like to be seen as someone with deep expertise in accounting at technology industries. And I know that's something that I will have an opportunity to do here. I'm also really excited to take on more managerial responsibilities in the next few years. I've been lucky enough to work with some amazing managers, and so developing into a great manager myself is something I'm really excited about.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Edi. I think I have covered everything I need to know about you. Do you have any questions for me?
May I ask you a question, ma'am? When might I hear back from you regarding a decision?
I hope to make a decision by the end of the day tomorrow and get back to candidates the following days. So you will hear from me soon. Is there anything else you need to know?
Alright, it's enough, ma'am. Thank you for giving me a chance for an interview. I hope you are always healthy. I will wait for the good news. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.